time to open the Spring Sowing Kit, and this time around I'm including a garden planning sheet with my personal notes on kind of why I chose what I chose to put in this Spring Sowing Kit. So the first seed packet is from Renee's Garden, and it is the Bachelor's Button 4th of July mix. This is an heirloom variety. And Bachelor's buttons I use in arrangements, but the flowers are also edible, so they're pretty on salads, and there's other ways you can get creative and use them. They grow to about 3 to 4 feet tall, so just keep that in mind. We have some heirloom amarillo carrots from a local Charlotte gardener who shared her seeds with me. Next we have borage. Borage is an edible flower as well, but it's also a great companion plant. The bees absolutely love it. It has scratchy leaves that can help deter animals from squash and cucumber plants, and the flowers taste like cucumber. I've seen many a recipe for a cocktail using these flowers. The next seed packet is sorrel from High Mowing Organic Seeds. Sorrel is a type of lettuce, and it's very bright. It has a lemony, tart flavor, but not bitter, and it's a great salad green. I have known friends to use it in cooked recipes. Next we have my favorite lettuce from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, Little Jim romaine lettuce. It really is like a miniature romaine heart. Super delicious. And that's it for the Spring Sowing Kit of 2021.